Want to breastfeed like a pro? The key to successful breastfeeding is a good latch. Here are 10 tips to help your baby latch on correctly and comfortably. Check your latching position. Make sure your baby's head, neck, spine are aligned in a straight line. Encourage your baby to open mouth wide. Bring baby close to your breast. Get close at your nipple levels. Stroke your nipple towards the tip of the baby's lip. Let your baby take a large portion of your areola in its mouth. Keep your baby close during latch on. Look and listen for gulps. Once the baby is well fed, the baby will seem relaxed and go off to sleep.